So Amy got me cleaning the my closet, which I'm not going to show you the whole thing because I need to go through my clothes and cut down on them. But I got this area here. At the end of the day, I usually have a sweatshirt or two that I'd like to hang up or have one hanging up because I usually have a couple that I've been wearing here and there, one for better, one for dirtier situations. So I'm going to make a kind of a board that goes down through here with some nice pegs on it. So that's going to be one of our projects. And then over here, we have this beautiful stand that I created years ago. And this is onlay, all different types of wood, just awesome looking. It's got glass on it right now, which is giving it that kind of glossy look. But the legs, I never really spent a lot of time. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of dark, but just kind of an open leg design. It works great, but for space, it's not a great utilization. So what I'm thinking is, it might be a nice way for me to build a new base for it, raise it up, have a door on the front or two doors that I can slide my folded up jeans at the end of the day that I'm still going to be wearing, and maybe have a shelf on the side. So that's what I'm thinking. So let's go out in the shop and let's get started. A new base for this awesome top.